Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to select seats after booking your flight on Expedia. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even Expedia deals of 2025. Without further ado, let's begin. After booking a flight on Expedia, you might want to choose your seats for a more comfortable trip. While Expedia handles the booking, seat selection is generally managed through the airline. First, go to the Expedia website and click on Flights. Next, select the city you are departing from, and then choose the city or country you want to travel to. Now select your travel dates and click on Search. You will see a list of recommended departing flights. Select any flight that fits your schedule and click on it. Check the flight details and price, then click on Select. After that, you will see recommended returning flights. Click on the one you prefer and then click on Select. Now review the details of your flights, including seats and baggage information. If you want to select specific seats for your flight, you can get this information and make your seat selection by contacting the airline you chose after completing your booking on Expedia. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and even Expedia deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.